How to add GIFs as favorite on Discord. For that, first of all, open any browser in your device, then on the searching bar, search for Discord. Once you go to the official website of Discord application, make sure that you have logged into your account. Once you are on your Discord, simply go through any chat where you want to use your GIF. From the bottom, you will see GIF option. Simply tap on it. Now go through any GIF and click on the star from the top. Now it has been added to your favorites. You can simply go back and see that GIFs on your favorite. In this very easy step, you can easily add any GIFs to your favorites. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.